Welcome back to Luxscape. Today we're taking a closer look at Excellence El Carmen, an adults-only, all-inclusive resort located in Uvero Alto, around 25 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport. As part of the Excellence Collection, this modern beachfront property is known for its expansive all-suite accommodations and refined dining scene. In this video, we'll break down the accommodations, dining, and daily experience to help you decide if it's the right fit for your next Punta Cana escape. We'll start with the accommodations. At Excellence El Carmen, the stay is built entirely around an all-suite concept, where space and privacy are treated as standard rather than upgrades. Even the entry-level junior suites are notably generous, starting at around 800 square feet, and are designed to feel more like self-contained retreats than conventional hotel rooms. All suites share a strong baseline of amenities. Expect a king or double bed layout, a separate seating area with an L-shaped sofa, a fully stocked minibar, premium in-room spirits, and an espresso machine. Bathrooms are spa-inspired, featuring double vanities, two-person walk-in rain showers, and oversized jacuzzis. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors open onto large furnished balconies or terraces that extend the living space outdoors and significantly shape how the rooms feel day to day. From there, the range of categories focuses on outlook, privacy, and added features rather than dramatic changes in interior design. Pool and ocean view junior suites retain the same layout while improving positioning across the resort. Swim-up suites and private pool suites offer direct water access, appealing to travelers who prefer to spend more time in their own space rather than around the main pools. Rooftop terrace suites feature multi-level layouts, plunge pools, and open-air lounging areas that enhance a sense of seclusion. Upgrading to the Excellence Club adds a more refined layer to the stay, including enhanced in-suite amenities, access to private lounges, and dedicated pool and beach areas. At the top end, the Honeymoon and Imperial Suites feature substantially larger layouts, separate living spaces in either prime beachfront positioning or expansive garden settings. Overall, accommodations at Excellence El Carmen are built around consistency and refinement, with a range of suite styles that support different levels of privacy and indulgence. Next, we'll look at the overall dining experience. Food and drinks are handled with a clear focus on choice and refinement, supported by 12 restaurants that do not require reservations. This approach allows evenings to unfold naturally, combining flexibility with a level of consistency that aligns with the resort's luxury positioning rather than feeling casual or rushed. Cuisine spans multiple regions with standout options including agave for Mexican and Tex-Mex classics, basmati for Northwest Indian specialities, Chez Isabelle for refined French dining, and spice for Pan-Asian flavors including sushi and teppanyaki. Italian comfort dishes are covered at oregano, while Flavor Market focuses on tapas-style plates paired with a curated wine list. For grilled favorites, the grill transitions from relaxed daytime dining to a more polished steakhouse atmosphere in the evening. Daytime options are equally well covered. Las Olas, set directly on the beach, handles lighter lunches, wood-oven pizzas, and grilled items, while the Lobster House serves a la carte breakfast and lunch, before shifting into a lobster-focused dinner setting at night. A main buffet rounds out the offering, providing a broad, reliable option for breakfast and lunch, particularly for those who prefer variety and speed without sacrificing quality. Drinks are a strong point here. Multiple bars and lounges are scattered throughout the grounds, including swim-up pool bars, beach bars, cocktail lounges, a sports bar, and a cigar lounge. Premium spirits and cocktails are common, and service is consistent across all venues. For Excellence Club guests, dining becomes more contained, with access to a private restaurant and lounge, upgraded menus, and quieter bar areas. With the fundamentals in place, this is where the experience at Excellence El Carmen begins to differentiate itself in how your days naturally take shape once you're settled in. Activities are designed around balance rather than constant stimulation, allowing you to stay active, unwind, or move comfortably between the two without feeling tied to a fixed program. As an adults-only resort, the offering remains broad yet measured, making it easy to shape each day around your own pace and preferences. Water plays a central role. With 23 swimming pools spread across the property, including a large beachside main pool and quieter secondary pools, it's easy to find a space that matches your mood. Several pools feature swim-up bars, while 9 hot water jacuzzis are positioned for more contained downtime, including dedicated options for those staying in the Excellence Club. Pool and beach waiter service runs throughout the day, allowing you to stay settled without needing to move far. The activity offering blends easily into the day with a wide mix of complementary sports and casual sessions. Tennis is a strong focus, with multiple courts and optional clinics, while beach volleyball, football, basketball, and pickleball create easy social options by the shore. Indoors, activities such as squash, table tennis, billiards, darts, and archery add variety without feeling overly scheduled or intense. When the pace slows, board games and handicraft workshops offer relaxed alternatives for slower moments during the day. Quick note before we carry on. If Excellence El Carmen is on your shortlist, you'll find our exclusive Expedia links in the description below. They let you check live availability and current pricing for your dates. And right now, it's also listed as fully refundable, which can be useful when planning ahead. Back to the video. Fitness stands out as a key feature. The 4,000 square foot fitness center is fully equipped with modern cardio machines, free weights, and functional training tools. Daily classes include yoga, aerobics, and water aerobics, while a scenic jogging trail offers outdoor exercise early in the morning. Personal training sessions and guided workouts are available for additional support. Water-based activities go beyond just pools. Non-motorized options include snorkeling, equipment provided, and introductory scuba sessions, which provide an easy way to start diving. For a more immersive experience, scuba diving with instruction and deep-sea fishing trips are available at an additional cost, appealing to those wanting to explore further offshore. A lighter social and cultural layer complements daytime programming. Spanish lessons, dance classes, cooking demonstrations, and themed events run regularly, creating opportunities to engage without overwhelming the schedule. These activities tend to be optional drop-ins rather than headline events, which suits travelers who prefer flexibility over fixed timetables. Evenings shift the atmosphere without turning the resort into a party-led environment. Nightly shows provide live entertainment, while the 16 bars and lounges across the property allow you to move between settings from cocktail lounges and pool bars to a sports bar and cigar lounge. The layout supports quieter evenings just as well as livelier ones, depending on where you choose to settle. Wellness is anchored by the Mile Spa, a large, purpose-built facility designed around hydrotherapy and restorative treatments. The spa experience begins with a guided hydrotherapy circuit featuring hot and cold plunge pools, sensation showers, saunas, steam rooms, and water massage stations. Treatment options range from massages and body therapies to advanced facials, with both indoor suites and outdoor oceanfront treatment rooms available. A full beauty salon, bridal spa facilities, and dedicated relaxation areas complete the experience, making the spa a destination in its own right rather than an add-on. Overall, activities at Excellence El Carmen are shaped by choice, pacing, and a consistently high level of service. The offering feels thoughtfully curated rather than overwhelming, supported by attentive staff, well-maintained facilities, and a clear focus on quality at every touchpoint. Everything is in place when you want it, without ever feeling imposed, allowing days to unfold naturally and comfortably. That brings us to the end. If Excellence El Carmen feels like the right fit for your trip, you'll find Expedia links in the description where you can check current rates and availability for your dates. At the moment, it's also listed as fully refundable, which adds some nice flexibility when planning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.